Open up the layer's contents, go to Add, Repeater. Open up the Repeater menu, copies to 6, X position to 0, anchor point Y position to 100, rotation 60, go to Add, Trim Path. In the Trim Path menu, press the stopwatch for the end value, move over on the timeline, change the end value to 0%. Now halfway through the end animation, change the start to 100%, press the stopwatch, move over on the timeline, change the start value to 0%. Select the keyframes, press F9 to easy ease, go into the speed graph, drag these handles to the left. Subscribe for more tutorials.